Good morning, everyone. Let's go check on Heidi, see if she had her piglets last night. Well, good morning. No piglets yet. I do believe today is 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. Let's check your fence. 8. All right. Let's get some piglets today. So no piglets last night. My guess is she will have them probably this evening or tonight, would be my guess. Let's go ahead and take care of the sea monsters. They're about to go nuts. They know that this is their food. Oh, look. They're trying to fly out. Whoa. Oh, velociraptors! Ah! So the sea monsters is doing great. We lost a duck yesterday. Cal was his name. When I locked the ducks up last night, I did head count and he was unaccounted for. Took another hit with the ducks. You know, there's nothing we can really do about it. We gotta guard dog, we gotta guard goose. I mean, you can only do but so much, especially when you free range your animals like we do. Well, good morning. So if you look behind me, we got a bunch of piglets lined up to go on fresh pasture. I cannot wait to get them on here. They'll only be here for 6 days. They leave here Saturday. Owners will be showing up throughout the day to pick up their piglets. The vet will be here Friday to do the health check and ear tagging. So all we gotta do now is just do minimal weed eating. There's really not much weed eating we gotta do. And also, we don't have to move the Energizer. We can just move the Energizer over and connect it. Kaylee and I, we made them a shelter yesterday that's perfect for them. I am going to take landscape staples and run them along the bottom of the netting. I'm going to run these staples all the way around the paddock, so that way the piglets can't nudge up the netting and slide underneath. I have it on the paddock they're in right now, and I have yet to have one escape or even attempt to escape. So it's working. So to answer anyone's questions, yes, you can raise piglets using Premier 1 poultry netting. And we use about 3 staples per panel, and you want to make sure that you're only hammering the bottom black wire, not the white and black, because those have electric running through them. The black one at the very bottom doesn't. So you want your landscape staple to pin that down, and if you see, these piglets are not getting out. Alright, so what we're doing now is Kaylee's filling up a pool for them. Their water barrel now has to be repaired, and that takes, I don't know, 24 hours or so. But for the meantime, we're going to fill them up a pool and just stay on top of it, make sure it stays fresh for the most part. But I'm also going to build them a wallow like I built Harriet when we weaned the piglets off of Harriet and she got her very own paddock. And you can see that vlog right above. Just click on that. coming to you. Zip ties are a homesteader's best friend. Zip, 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 zip. Come on. Come on, guys. So the piglet move to a fresh new pasture went as easy as can be. What do you think, Kaylee?
Did good.
Yep, you did good. Awesome job. Thank you. I really appreciate the help.
You're welcome.
It took us, how long you think? It was just two of us doing it. Maybe out. What? No, maybe 2 hours top. And that's because, you know, driving the landscape staples all the way around, well, that took about 30 minutes right there. We didn't have to move the Energizer. I did spray the grounding rod, watered that down real good. I also sprayed the entrance where the double spikes go in since we got clay here. That way it's easy to push in the spikes when we come in to feed them.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside.
So I'm sitting down in the piglets' new paddock. They're enjoying it. They love the wallow. They love the fresh grass. You get to actually enjoy the piglets without mama around. If you look at them, they have a thing for shoes. A huge thank you to Kaylee. You did an awesome job this morning helping me out. We got it done quick. Ow! He bit my ankle. But yeah, there's nothing like having pigs on fresh grass. Ain't that right, little buddy? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We have more content on the way. So much content. We got so much going on here on the homestead. Still gotta get that garden planted, but the priority today was moving the piglets onto fresh grass. I think that was just more important than getting seeds in the ground. I know it's important to grow food for your family, and I will do that. Sometimes, you know, you got to put your animals first as well. Take care of them. And here at 2 Quacks 5 Clucks Farm, we take care of our animals, and we do a good job at it. You gotta rotate your pigs. Can't just leave them on dirt their entire lives, and their meat will taste so much better. Trust me. Thanks for watching.